Welcome back to PcomLab, Tech Beyond Expectations. In this video, we are going to explore Google Gemini. In this video, you will see how to use Google Gemini for explanations and many more. So without wasting any time, let's chat with Google Gemini with us, with prompts and with ease. Let's get started. First things first, accessing the tool is super simple. Just head over to Google, type in Gemini, and click on the official link. If you have a Google account, you're already halfway there. Here's the interface. It's clean, minimal, and intuitive. You'll see suggestions right away. Whether you want to create an image, write code, or just learn something new, Gemini is ready to roll. Let's start with a basic information gathering task. We'll ask Gemini to explain cloud computing in simple terms. Watch how fast it processes this request. And as SRK says, "Picture abhi baki hai mere dost." Notice that little status bar? That's Gemini refining its answer in real time. It doesn't just dump text, it structures the explanation with analogies like comparing cloud computing to electricity to make it easy to digest. But here is the real game changer. Look at how it automatically formats complex data into a clean, readable table. Here, it breaks down SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS with examples like Gmail and AWS. Now, this is a productivity hack you need to know. See this Export to Sheets button? One click and boom! It moves that entire table directly into a Google Sheet. Mogambo khush hua. It even suggests relevant YouTube videos at the bottom if you want to keep learning. It's like having a research assistant that never sleeps. Now let's push the boundaries with multimodal capabilities. Gemini isn't just text-based, it has eyes. We are going to upload a complex diagram of a cloud computing ecosystem. Once the image is uploaded, we'll ask Gemini to explain exactly what is happening in this image. Let's see if it can interpret the connections. This is impressive. Look at the breakdown. It correctly identifies the central hub as the cloud, recognizes the end-user devices like phones and laptops, and explains how they connect to the back-end infrastructure. It didn't just read text, it understood the concept of the drawing. Next up, let's look at professional communication. We'll ask Gemini to draft a formal email requesting a meeting for an AI project. Notice how I asked it to keep the tone polite and simple. In seconds, we have a ready-to-send template. It includes a clear subject line and placeholders for your specific details. Plus, and I love this feature, it explains why this email is effective, pointing out the clear subject line and respectful tone. Okay, the big question: how does it compare to the competition? Let's put Google Gemini side by side with ChatGPT using the exact same prompt. On the left, we have Gemini. On the right, ChatGPT 3.5. We asked both to explain cloud computing. Notice the difference in presentation. Gemini immediately goes for that structured table layout we saw earlier, while ChatGPT opts for a bulleted list approach. Both are using the electricity analogy, which is great. However, Gemini's integration with the Google ecosystem, like that Sheets export and the visual layout, might give it the edge for productivity users. Which interface do you prefer? Let us know in the comments. Google Gemini is proving to be a massive contender in the AI space. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to PcomLab for more tech tips beyond expectations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.